serving food or serving milk to a kid nowadays is very difficult. So I think we need a recipe which is quick, which has milk as an ingredient. Plus, I think it should be healthy, nutritious. So we really need a recipe for that.
Yes. So what to do? For this problem, we need a solution. For the solution, we need a person. So let me welcome Miss Firdaus.
Hi, Dr. Vijay.
Hi Firdaus.
Hi, how are you?
I'm doing well. How are you?
I'm fine, thank you.
Welcome back to Slim Bite Eat Right
Yes.
Season 3. Yes, so you heard the problem.
Yes, actually.
And how do we find a solution to this?
Finding solution to this problem I feel is very easy. Yes, let's help out that mother who is in need over there. Yes,
So probably let's get started.
let's get started. And to help her for solving a problem, we need a ragi flour about 30 grams. This is wheat flour 30 grams. A pinch of salt, rava 10 grams, jaggery which is about 1 teaspoon, and dates which are chopped just for garnish. And along with this, we also need 50 ml of milk. Okay, so then we have taken this ragi flour. Okay, 2 tablespoons of
Okay.
ragi flour, 2 tablespoons of wheat flour.
And let me guess, the next thing which you want to put is again going to be 2 tablespoons.
No, you're wrong. Now it's just 1 tablespoon of
Oh
rava.
my god.
Okay, and just a pinch of salt. Yes, that's all. And now, what are we going to do?
What are you going to do?
Now we are going to knead a dough of this.
Okay.
Okay, so let's start.
So today your recipe is going to be a savior for normally this mother, a lot of mothers.
Yes, a lot of mothers.
Because everybody has an issue of what to cook, what to give to the children, the kids, and which is again
And kids are, small kids actually very cranky about foods.
yes, you're right.
Okay, this dough just has to be of neither too hard nor too soft. Okay, this is almost done.
That was fast.
It's very quick. You see, tiffin.
Yes, it should be quick. I mean,
It's quick and easy, and we have just taken all the ingredients which are easily found at home.
exactly.
No fancy ingredients, nothing. Okay,
Yeah, that's
is-
important to make a tiffin.
Yes,
Something which you can just grab and find at your home.
and then it's done. Okay, we'll keep this aside. Till then, I think the milk which we have, which is about 50 ml of milk, we'll condense it. Okay, we'll reduce the quantity of this milk.
Okay, so probably you need to
Okay,
guess.
yes. Thank you.
Now this sounds healthy. You're putting milk also into it.
Yes, the major concern there was with milk, I believe.
Yeah, yes.
And now we can help her and show her the other ways how she can add milk to the foods or the recipes she prepares. And as she knows, and maybe all the other mothers knows, that milk is a good source of protein, calcium,
Yes.
vitamins and other minerals as well. Okay, you see, we do not add any sugar and all because
Exactly.
we have later ingredients to be added.
Mhm.
Okay, we will not just simply burden the child with unnecessary calories coming from sugar.
It is so important to have a good recipe for children because they don't understand how much to eat. You cannot say no. So the recipe should be so perfect that they should feel fuller and they should get all the nutrients at the same time as well.
And be happy, ask again and again for it.
Yes, and be happy. That is very important.
Okay, the milk is done, so I put it off. Okay, now coming to
The dough.
the dough, I shall roll a chapati out of it. A bit of flour, just to cover it.
Any specific thickness for the roll that you're making? Or?
No, thickness is not required because anyways, in the further steps we are supposed to grind this.
Okay.
Okay. Now this flour is this dough which we had needed, which was of ragi flour and wheat flour. It is basically rich in fiber, yes, proteins, calcium,
All packed.
yes, as well as iron, as the child is in the growing age where it requires a lot of iron. This is done, I believe, and now we'll roast the chapati.
By the way, you still haven't told us what you're making.
By the way, I think we shall reveal the name at last.
Okay.
We are anyways not adding oil and all over here.
No
And I
oil?
believe, yes, no oil, and this is a non-stick pan, so I believe we do not need oil.
Oil, exactly.
Yes. So let's wait till this is done. You see now this is done. अभी इसको हमें grind करना है.
Okay.
But we'll have to see to it कि we do not make a paste of it. बस ऐसे crumbs रखने हैं. Okay. So now let's get to the next part. Okay. So this is how it looks. We have grind this. Okay. Not too fine.
Okay.
Yeah. Paste नहीं करना. We have to just keep it like something like crumbles. Yeah. Bread crumbs kind of. अभी इसको हमें कुछ चीज़ों से mix करना है. We'll start with jaggery. Okay. This is about 2 teaspoons of jaggery. Now this depends on the sweet tooth of the person actually. Okay. And then इसमें हम डालते हैं थोड़े से dates. Again maybe 1 teaspoon. There is no restriction. जितना चाहिए आप डाल सकते हैं. Yes. Okay. So
Where's
now
jaggery? Yeah.
I'm mixing it with my hands so that it gets mixed
Mixed
well.
properly.
Yes. Spoon भी आप चाहो तो आप use कर सकते हो, but then I think mixing with hands is much better. Yes. Now you must be thinking कितना dry है, टिफिन में कैसे जाएगा, बच्चा कैसे खाएगा.
I was wondering.
Yes. Now we'll do some magic again. Okay. And here it goes. Now to this, we are going to add the condensed milk. You remember?
Yes.
Which is going to keep it, soggy, make it soggy, keep it moist. Yes. And एक बार टिफिन में जाने से, after adding milk, this is not going to move or not going to shake and won't be dry anymore. And you can just garnish it with a few dates on top. And maybe a little more jaggery. And here it is, ready.
Well, it looks very one fine recipe.
Yes.
But what is its name?
Okay. Finally, it's called Malida. Okay.
Malida.
Yeah.
Okay.
And see, it's so, at least for me, I feel it is very appealing. It's something.
Yes.
It looks like something chocolate cake with cream.
Yes, and
Yes.
it smells good as well. Yes, and Malida, that's what you call it. It's
Yes.
traditional as well.
Yes, it is traditional.
And
Yeah, contains a lot of fiber, protein, iron, other nutrients. What else do you need?
Oh, what else do I need? I need to taste
Taste
this. So, guys, Malida by Miss Firdaus,
Yes.
and I'm going to taste it. Like always,
Like it?
beautiful.
Thank you.
You are a very good cook.
Thank you.
This is really, really, really yummy, and I'm sure any kid will love to have this in the food. If I'm having it, any kid can have it. Trust me.
Thank you so much.
And I'm sure all the mothers will use this, and a lot of people will.
Actually, yeah, I hope we have solved the problem of the mother.
Yes, the
Yes.
main important part is solve the problems.
Yeah.
Thank you so much for coming on the show.
Thank you for having me on the show once again.
Okay, guys. Bye.
Bye.